Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2 so quiet? So firstly, maybe you need to clean the grill. So right here we have the grill, also right here. Try to clean it with a brush. Now, if the cleaning didn't help you, maybe the problem is your headphones just too old, or maybe you need to customer service. But if you have this problem for only one headphone, I have solution to you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. So on your iPhone, open settings, then we should go to accessibility. What located under the general settings, enter into accessibility, then scroll down. In the hearing, we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down. And right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right headphone, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to move the slider and test it what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the right headphone, but lower it for the left headphone. If you use 100% on your right headphone, you will totally mute sound for your left headphone. If you have the problem with the left headphone, the same process, you just move this slider to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance, and we increase the volume for the left and lower it for the right headphone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we should go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment line. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left headphone, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to move this dot and test it, what will be the best one for you. We increase the volume for the left headphone, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left headphone, you will totally mute sound for your right headphone. If you have the problem with the right, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, and again, we increase the volume for the right headphone, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.